Welcome to this new tutorial. In a previous video we talked about creating a purchase order without reference. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to create purchase orders with reference to request for quotation and purchase requisition in HYP ERP system. To create a purchase order with reference, go to Inventory and Purchasing module from the menu which is located on the left. Next click on Procurement Department, then Purchase Orders, then Manage Purchase Orders. On the top right corner, you will find the Create with Reference button. Click it. As a normal purchase order, you need to fill the parameters in order to create the purchase order. Pick the company that you want to purchase to. Then choose the plant. After that, choose the purchase organization. Then pick the group. Next, you need to pick the vendor that you want to purchase from. Then choose what is the type of your order. Please note that purchase order number and purchase order year will be generated automatically. Move on to choose the date of the purchase order. Then, the currency that you will use in the purchase order. Then, proceed to pick your terms of payment and terms of delivery. Now you have to pick if you are referring to a purchase requisition or to a request for quotation. I will show you both scenarios in this video. I will refer to a purchase requisition in the first example. Press on Purchase Requisition option. A table will appear below. From here you can add the purchase requisition document. To add a purchase requisition document, press on the magnifying glass. A search window will appear. Set your filter parameters to narrow the number of documents shown in the table, then press Set Filter. When you find the needed document, press on the magnifying glass. As you can see here, it is added to the table. Please note that you can reference one or more document. Press on Add Row to add more documents. When you are done, press on Create button. A new window will appear. From here you will finalize your purchase order. There are some extra fields we recommend you to fill it for more accurate document. I will fill some of the fields such as attention to and attention to email, along with the requester by field. Next part is the item table. You will find that the system imported all the items and its details which were in the purchase requisition. Adjust the quantity if needed. After that, insert the unit price. Next, in case of discount, insert the discount amount or discount percentage. Next, insert the tax percentage. Moving right in the table, you will find some additional columns to fill. They are optional, but we recommend you to fill it to get more accurate reports. Please note, if you would like to specify where you want to receive the items, on the same row of the item, pick the storage location that you want to receive the item from. If you have multiple items and you want to receive at different locations, you simply pick the wanted storage location on each item you have in the table. After you finish this step, scroll down to fill the instruction field if you have any for the vendor or the delivery. Scroll down again to fill the shipping information. Next field is for remarks. If you have any remarks, you can write it here. Please note that the remarks will not be printed on the purchase order. It's only for user reference purposes. Next, if you have extra conditions, put it the conditions field. After you finish entering all the information, click on Apply Changes button. The purchase order is created now. You can edit the information of the purchase order, delete it, or print the purchase order. Once you are done, you can press on Cancel button. As you can see, it showed up in the purchase order list. To open the purchase order, press on the pen icon in the first cell of the row. To submit the purchase order, click on the gear icon which is located beside the pen icon. After going through the approved chain, it will show the status of the order in the status column whether it's approved or rejected. Same steps apply in creating purchase order with reference to request for quotation. Press on Create with Reference. Then fill the information as we showed in the first example. After that, choose with reference to request for quotation. Next, enter the request for quotation number or press on the button beside the field to select it from the list. A new window will appear showing the list of requests of quotations. Set the parameters to narrow the number of requests of quotations showing in the table. Select the wanted document by pressing on the magnifying glass beside the document number. Next, the request of quotation year, keep it as it is. Then press Create. Now you will proceed with the same steps as we showed in creating purchase order with reference to purchase requisition. Now you can make a new purchase order without any issues. Thank you for watching this tutorial.